The newest addition to the MSI family, the MSI Stealth 15M gaming laptop is probably the lightest gaming machine that comes with the latest NVIDIA card. You'd love every bit of its gaming regime. We're talking about the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060. A card that can run all popular games you know of in the highest settings. No lag, no jitters, just smooth bliss. Expect running Microsoft Flight Simulator at 44 frames per second, which is more than enough as compared to other laptops. At 1080p, the Red Dead Redemption runs at 78 frames per second, which again, is superior. I can go on for infinity about this card because it's worth it. I mean, take things seriously to the next level by playing Shadow of the Tomb Raider at 29 frames per second on 4K. How's that for a gaming laptop? Obviously, for a machine that works this much, heating up is normal. You'd experience its chassis heating up. But the real deal is its cooling system that already dissipates a huge amount of heat before you feel the residue warmth. With 2 fans, 6 pipes, and ultra-thin blades, the temperature would remain bearable. That's about the graphics card. The CPU is the fastest too. Under the hood, the split-second performance is offered by multiple threads and cores of Intel Core i7-11375H. This is 11th gen, to be correct. Coupled with 16 GB RAM and a 512 GB SSD, the performance just gets better. As you might know, until now, everything about this laptop is top-notch. The latest chips and cards make it one of the most sought-after gaming laptops. All of that is packed in a brushed aluminum housing and RGB keyboard, a 144Hz screen, a responsive touchpad, and nearly all connectivity options. However, the speakers did not impress me, neither did the position of the touchpad. What impressed me beyond its performance is the Dragon Center with its convenient tweaking systems.